Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. So I bought the iPad Pro 4.9 inch a year after it was released, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of it. Just like any Apple product now, comes with the pull tab, which is here in the bottom. So you have some information here in the bottom. iPad Pro 12.9 inch, 6th generation. This is a 256 gig. I didn't want to buy the smaller model because this one was sort of on promotion. I got it $100 off, which it's still way cheaper than buying it locally. So I decided to buy mine from Amazon. Came in the same package as my Apple Watch Ultra 2, which by now there should be a video out. If not, there'll be a video out on me unboxing it soon. So got it from Amazon, came in the same package as the Apple Watch Ultra 2, which was a MyUS package. Alright, so MyUS is a forwarding agent I use when I'm shopping in places that typically don't ship to me. I'm in Africa, as most of you guys know. So with MyUS, I can basically go to places like Amazon and even shop on sellers that typically wouldn't ship outside the US. Now, when you sign up for MyUS, they give you a UK and a US address, which basically allows you to shop on those countries or any sites on those countries and then ship your package to your MyUS address and then request the package to get to you in the location that you are. Now, they ship directly to your door, so you're not gonna have to go through the hassle of waiting for something to arrive through the postal services. Now, because I'm a MyUS ambassador, when you sign up with my link, you get a couple of perks. You're gonna be getting a 3 months business membership or a 1-year premium membership, all for free. And on top of that, you get a discount code for your first shipping, which is PMHK20. But all this information is going to be down in the description if you're planning to actually use the services. And thanks to MyUS for sponsoring this video. The reason I bought this guy, even though there might be a new iPad coming out this month, October. This iPad was released last year in October, I think the 26th. The reason I bought it is because even if a new one comes out, I really don't think there will be much improved. Maybe they'll put an M3 processor in it. But I think apart from that, I mean, it's an iPad and these things have actually a really good life cycle. So I should be fine for the next 5 years. Simple unboxing. We're going to be pulling the tabs here, 1 and 2. The last time I actually owned an iPad was an 11-inch iPad Pro. The last time I owned an iPad Pro was an 11-inch iPad Pro, which I unboxed here in this channel. And then I bought, this thing is not opening. And then I bought an iPad Air, which I sort of later sold because I wanted to buy cryptocurrency, which that didn't really end up well, but that's a story for another day. So, this is the iPad Pro. Wow, this thing is a beaut. Sometimes I forget how these things actually are so beautiful. Let's put this guy on the side and dive inside the box further. You have your literature here, which should also come with some Apple stickers. There we go, literature there. We don't really care about that. And you get a power brick. This is a 20-watt power brick. I actually have one that I bought same size from a brand called Peaches. That one goes up to 40 watts and it has 2 USB-C port, which I can actually charge 2 devices speed 2020, or if I have a device that can take advantage of the 40 watts, I can use that. But there's a reel on that if I'm not mistaken. I think I unboxed that on the reel as well. So you have the braided cable, like most Apple devices now come. The Apple Watch came with a braided cable. The iPhone 15 Pro Max came with a braided cable. I'm assuming the AirPods Pro 2 USB-C will also include braided cable on it. I'm probably gonna do an unbox of that in future, but I might just do a reel or a short, so make sure you go and follow me on Instagram. All right, this is the paper. We go here. The reason I got this silver color, although my Mac Mini is actually space gray, which means they won't match, is that in future we'll be getting the Mac Studio. That's the name. We're gonna be getting a Mac Studio, and most of the devices are actually going to be silver. So I'm already starting the process of moving to silver. So this is the iPad. This is really huge. Build quality excellent, as we all are familiar with. Nothing much has changed since the last iPad Pro I unboxed, apart from the camera. That one used to come with one camera, now this comes with two cameras, and it has the LiDAR right there. LiDAR is what scans your room and helps you create augmented reality stuff. You can actually also use it with certain apps that allows you to place, like a furniture shopping app will allow you to place furniture around your house, just so you can have a sense of the size. Okay, so this side we have, I think this is a microphone. We have the USB-C connection here, which, as we know, all Apple devices actually now moving to USB-C, except my AirPods Max that doesn't have. Did I just mistakenly turn on this guy? Oh yeah, because the power button is in the corner, that one's pressing the floor. It comes with 4 speakers, 2 on the bottom, 2 on top. So the device is on. As you guys can see, is really huge. I'm most probably only going to be using this guy to edit. I want to try the Final Cut Pro subscription that works here. I'm probably going to have to buy the Apple Pencil as well. Do you guys actually use the Apple Pencil? Because if I buy it, it's going to be mainly for that. And the other things that I'm going to do, I am definitely going to be playing Call of Duty Mobile here, because that's one thing that I was playing on my iPad Air 4, which again sold to buy cryptocurrency. What a mistake that was. So I am done setting up the iPad. Took me around 30 minutes, if not less. I also updated to iPad OS 17.0.3, which obviously comes with new features. But the one that I'm looking forward to is adding a home widget, which will allow me to control some accessories. So if I can add this one here, I wish I could make it bigger. Let me see if I can add multiple of these, because it will come in handy. Add another one. Okay, so as long as I have enough accessories, I can actually add multiple accessories. And as you know, iOS 17.0.3 or iOS iPad OS and in general also comes with interactive widgets, which I can use to turn off my light. So I can actually go and turn off my bedroom light. You can see also the one on top, it did the same. This is just to show that this is something that I am also going to be doing with my iPad. Let's try and listen to the speakers, because I know the speakers is actually something that actually really good. I keep saying actually, but it's something that is very good and very loud. So let's try. I think this is really raw album, and I might actually get copyrighted. So should we go and listen to something? Okay, let me look for something that doesn't get me in trouble. I'm gonna try and take it easy because they are new speakers, and from what I know, new speakers, you can really be blasting them to the maximum. But just to show you guys that they both play loud, that's the speakers for you guys. So the iPad Pro has a Liquid XDR Pro Motion display. And this, as I mentioned, is the 12.9 inch, so this is the huge one. The next step would be getting a case for it. Let me try camera. argue. This camera should be similar to the camera of the phone released last year, which was the iPhone 14, if I'm not mistaken, but it shouldn't be that far from the main shooting camera of the iPhone 14. This is quite okay. That's as wide as it goes. This is 0.5. Okay, yes, for your judgment of camera quality, but I like the camera quality, so I am good. Yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, as usual, drop them down in the comments below. Otherwise, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I am going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.